Fully integrated state-of-the-art downhole tools from one trusted source. Hunting Advanced Manufacturing Group sets the new standard for outsourced manufacturing of your advanced downhole tools. From outer collars to precise inserts and sophisticated electronics, we seamlessly manufacture, integrate, test, and deliver downhole tools that meet your most demanding specifications. Large-scale collar and machining of exotic components up to 30-foot lengths for deep hole drilling, tree panning and boring. High-precision machining for inserts and internal components. Harsh environment electronics, all manufactured by Hunting to your exacting tolerances and unique configurations. And assembled, functionally and environmentally tested, certified and shipped worldwide from our integration facilities. That's Hunting Advanced Manufacturing Group. A single source solution that integrates your design and testing specifications with Hunting's manufacturing and assembly expertise to bring you simpler supply chain management, economies of scale, and uncompromising hunting quality.